Okay, we're gonna go through how to use the Gutenberg editor real quickly on your exact home page. And this is how your home page looks in WordPress. Gutenberg editor. As we scroll, okay, on the bottom, this is a template feature. You can easily change your header, the image for your header at the bottom of the page, and the information, your title, etc. Okay, let's look at your first heading at the top of the page. You can change the font size, the color, background color if you want, for that particular block. So you click on, let's go to another block. Now we click on this heading and we can change. Okay, let's go down, look at the paragraph here. This is a paragraph. We can change the color, font size. We can edit our image in this particular block. Let's scroll down. So in each block, you see where the plus is. When you click the plus, you can find a particular feature that you want to put in the block. As we scroll down, you can see there are all kinds of things. With each version of WordPress, they add more blocks that you can add. Now, I set these blocks by, I can set the columns for each block also. So as you scroll up, so that's a quick overview of the Gutenberg editor.